Did you know that seahorses are among the only animals in which the males bear the unborn young? Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to these fascinating sea creatures. Today, we delve into 10 unique facts about seahorses that will leave you in awe of their extraordinary lives. 1. Seahorses are monogamous and mate for life. They engage in an 8-hour courtship dance which includes spinning around, swimming side by side, and changing colors. 2. Seahorses have a unique way of reproducing. The female deposits her eggs into the male's pouch, where they are fertilized and incubated until they hatch. 3. Seahorses are not strong swimmers. They use their dorsal fin to propel themselves forward, while their pectoral fins are used for steering. 4. Seahorses have the ability to change color to blend in with their surroundings. This helps them camouflage and hide from predators. 5. Seahorses have a prehensile tail, which means they can grasp onto objects. They use their tail to anchor themselves to seagrass or coral reefs. 6. Seahorses have a unique feeding method. They suck up their food, such as small shrimp or plankton, through their long snouts. 7. Seahorses have excellent eyesight. Each eye can move independently, allowing them to scan their surroundings for food and predators. 8. Seahorses are found in shallow tropical and temperate waters around the world. They prefer areas with seagrass beds or coral reefs. 9. Seahorses are not good swimmers and are often at the mercy of ocean currents. They can be easily swept away if they are not anchored to something. 10. Seahorses are threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing. Conservation efforts are being made to protect these unique and fragile creatures. 2. Seahorses are poor swimmers. They are the slowest moving fish species recorded, with a top speed of about 5 feet per hour. They rely on their dorsal fin, which flutters up to 35 times per second for propulsion. 3. The seahorse's scientific name, hippocampus, comes from the ancient Greek word hippos, meaning horse, and campos, meaning sea monster. It's a fitting name for these unique creatures, don't you think? 4. Seahorses have no stomach. Instead, they have to eat constantly to stay alive because food passes through their bodies so quickly. They can consume up to 3,000 tiny brine shrimp per day. 5. Seahorses are excellent at camouflage. They can change their color and even grow extra parts to blend into their environment, making them nearly invisible to predators. 6. Each seahorse species has a unique coronet on its head, much like a human fingerprint. These ornate crowns are used for species identification. 7. Seahorses have a prehensile tail, much like a monkey. They use this versatile tail to anchor themselves to seagrasses and corals. 8. Seahorses are known for their upright posture, a characteristic that sets them apart from most other fish species. 9. Seahorses have a unique feeding mechanism known as elastic recoil feeding. This allows them to snap their heads forward to catch their prey. And finally, 10. Seahorses are under threat. Habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing for traditional medicines and aquarium trade have led to a decline in seahorse populations worldwide. In summary, seahorses are fascinating creatures with a unique life cycle and incredible adaptations that help them survive in their marine environments. However, they are also a vulnerable species that needs our help to ensure their survival for future generations. We've learned about their monogamous relationships, slow swimming speeds, unique scientific name, lack of a stomach, expert camouflage skills, unique coronets, prehensile tails, upright posture, unique feeding mechanism, and the threats they face. So the next time you see a seahorse, whether it's in an aquarium or in the wild, take a moment to appreciate these remarkable creatures and the extraordinary lives they lead.